Hello there, Gustavus here. Today I'm going to be explaining a sort of beta test for a stock market plugin that we're going to be using to allow players to trade tokens amongst each other automatically instead of having to do it in person where there's risk of scamming and whatnot. So basically, this will allow you to buy and sell tokens, either make a lot of money or get a lot of tokens quite easily actually. So hopefully I can explain to you how it works so you can start using it. I can get some data into the system, and later on I can make a more official video on it. So here's how the plugin works. Basically you type /market and it'll give you a overview of what's happening. So you have tokens selling at $500, that's the recommended price, and then the price change. Of course the price change probably wouldn't be plus 500, it'd probably be around $1, $2, maybe more depending on the day. So for you, you're going to want to type market help, and that'll give you the commands that you can use. Most important are, of course, buy and sell. This allows you to create buy and sell orders so you can get or give away the tokens that you need. The reason why I say orders is that this plugin actually doesn't give or create any artificial tokens or money. Everything in this plugin is just you and another player interacting. You create a buy order at $500, someone else creates a sell order at $500, it matches you together, you send the tokens to them, they send the money to you. Simple as that. So, let's say you want to buy 10 tokens at this current recommended price. You want to buy 10 tokens, $500. You would type market buy 10 tokens, $500. Or, since you're actually at the recommended price, you can just leave that off. Market buy 10 tokens, automatically will create a buy order at this price. Will you get 10 tokens immediately? Not necessarily. There may not be any sell orders, or sell orders might actually be at a price higher than this recommended price. To check that, you can just type market info tokens. This will give you a breakdown of everything that's happening with tokens. You can see currently there's no orders, but there might be a few sell orders, maybe $600, $700, $1,000. But since your buy order is listed at $500, it won't match you up with those people. Let's say your goal, however, is to just get tokens now. You need tokens now. You don't care how much it's going to cost. You need them now. If you want to do that, you can just use the match word. So you just type market, buy, 10 tokens, match. This will automatically match you up with the lowest sell order, no matter what price it is. Now, why not always use match? This is the way to get the tokens the fastest, but it's not the way to get them the cheapest. Someone could have created a sell order at $2,000 just because, why not? But you really aren't willing to pay that much, so you might want to actually just make it at this price and then just wait for someone to eventually create a sell order at that price, which seems more reasonable to you. That's why you might want to create them not matching, but at this thing, and then just wait it out. It might take a little bit, but eventually you probably will end up getting those tokens at the price you want them. Alternatively, let's say this recommended price is too high for you. You can actually modify the price however much you want, either by specifying a specific price, like $400, or by using minus or plus. So if you're not willing to pay that much, but you might be willing to pay $50 less, you just type minus 50, it'll create a buy order, and then whenever someone eventually decides to sell to that order, you'll get your tokens, and you'll send away that money. Other important commands. Orders. This is a way that you can check your current orders. So if you already have several orders out for buying and selling, you can keep track of them and then cancel them to get back your money or tokens before they get sent to someone else. And finally, market offline. This will tell you whatever's happened while you were offline. In case if, let's say, you were selling tokens, the tokens might have sold and you might have received money while you were online, or if you're buying, you might actually have received the items, but since you were offline at the time, you actually need to check in with this before you can get them. So basically, this plugin will allow you to create orders, trade tokens with other people, allow you to specify your own prices or match prices that are already set by other people, and it'll actually track changes in price over time and tell you whatever the recommended price is based on what price tokens have been selling at. So if tokens aren't really selling at $500, but they really start selling at $600, $700, and they sell at $700 for a while, this price will eventually adjust to $700, and people will know that $700 is what they've been selling at reasonably. So I recommend you stay at this recommended price, either that or go up some small amounts. So if you really think that $600 is the best, you can create buy orders at $600, but once it gets to a price that you find fair, create it at that price so we can create a system that doesn't involve waiting around for a long time for your items to buy or sell. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you can get started using this plugin, input some data into there, and then we can get some better feedback and how we can improve it, etc. Yeah, enjoy it. Thanks for watching.